So I'm about to wrap baby in one of our wraps, ready for the first pose in the flokati. Okay, so I'm just going to have baby's hands up here, if she stops wiggling a tiny bit, because I want to be able to have those on show when we put them into the prop. So I'm just going to use this wrap just to contain baby's arms. Just tuck it under the side. And then I'm going to go over again with the wrap. So we've got 2 coats of wrap across the middle. Obviously these wraps are super stretchy, so it allows you to keep some tension. Right, so top portion of baby is concealed now, so I've just got to use the wrap again just to put the rest of baby into the wrap. So one leg above the other. I'm just going to lift baby's hips a little bit and then use the wrap to keep baby's bottom elevated a little bit. Go around the back of baby's neck here, and then round again with the wrap until the wrap runs out, and just tuck any surplus underneath baby there. Obviously you can neaten up anything you don't like with these wraps because they're super stretchy. So I'm going to put baby into the prop here. There's a bowl underneath the flokati here, so I'm going to place baby in this wrap straight into the bowl with the head facing the light. Okay, so I'm going to just place baby into the prop. And I'll place baby at an angle. Now I will turn baby's head a little bit so that when Sandra takes the image, baby's head will be straight in camera and the body will be going off an angle. I'm going to use some cushions just to keep baby's head comfy and elevated slightly higher than the feet. Okay, and then I'll use another cushion just here so that if baby starts to wriggle, there's only so much space for her to wriggle into, so this will keep her nice and cosy. Okay, so just going to put the hands one above the other. Okay, just move baby's head back. So she's really now ready for Sandra to take the picture.
Okay, so baby's into the first pose. We've got our 135mm octabox set up, which gives a lovely soft lighting on the baby. The bottom of the softbox needs to skim across the top of the baby's head for a nice feathered light. The baby's got a slight elevation on their head in this bowl so that they don't look too flat, and we don't want the feet to be the predominant part of this pose, so we need the head elevated. We need to take the image straight over so that this lens here is shooting down to the baby's nose. So Sarah's just removing the dummy. Beautiful. We're using a wide angle lens to make sure that we can get right over the baby and get a nice chunk of this flokati rug in the shot. So with this pose we'd change the hair ties, maybe add a little hat, add a little accessory such as this little teddy, so that we can get as many images as possible in the gallery with minimum disruption to the baby. And that's still going to be a lovely shot. Don't forget to change your focus points on your camera. We have ours hitting the eye. Okay, so we can see we leave plenty of background around the baby because you want the perspective that they're small. If you zoom in too close and fill the frame, it can make the baby look larger than they are.